gatas na condense. And then, Nestle cream. Yan. Gayak na po natin into cube. Gulaman. Sago. And then, lalagay na natin ang all-purpose and gatas. Let's do it! Okay, lagay sa isang bowl. Paghahalo-haluin lang natin. Yan. Wala pong cameraman, kaya ito, pasensya na. Yan. Then, isunod natin ang condense. Pa, ang dami. And then, all-purpose. Ayan, finished product. Ayan, naka-apat na Tupperware and 1 bottle. Ayan, don't forget to follow. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Happy eating.